Hey guys, this right here is my build from 2015, and it's been running strong. Finally had some power supply issues, and so we went ahead and ordered us a new RM750X, and we're about to replace that and see how it goes. Hey guys, so we just got done swapping out these connections. I actually went ahead and replaced the cables that were going from the power supply into inside the case. I went and put the new cables on instead. And so right here we have our cable going to our motherboard. That's the long one sitting right there. And we have a cable going to our CPU up there. And now we've got the cables going from my graphics card in here as well. So everything's running, looking good. And this is swapping out a power supply when your original one fails. Thanks for watching.